It's Wednesday today, and it's a beautiful day out, and we got the boards loaded up, and we're gonna head to the beach. I'm gonna meet Courtney up in Pismo right now. First, I gotta go to Albertsons, stop at my parents' house to get the little foam pads for the boards, and then we'll be on our way. All right, let's do this. After grabbing the pads and realizing just how easy it is having the boards just back there, I decided that I wasn't gonna load up the boards on the roof just for this. I'll do it when we come back, but on the way there, nah, it just didn't really seem worth it. All right, out to the beach! Woo! I just made it to Pismo right now. I'm in the wrong lane. Okay, I was in the right lane. My bad. All right, like I was saying, just made it to Pismo. Time to go link up with Courtney and get some surfing on. It is such a beautiful day today. Can you see her? Can you see her back there? There she is. It's Courtney. Woo! Look at her. She's so pretty. Oh, what are you doing? Whoa! All right, gang, after some careful pre-gaming, we're making it.
My arms aren't long enough.
At least you're not riding a wave storm. That's the most important thing. To the usual spot. To the secret spot.
What?
The secret spot. Did you ever watch Rocket Power as a kid?
No.
Oh. Well, it was a show about, it was kind of based out of Venice Beach-ish. And it was a show about like kids that skated and surfed. It was super cool. As a cartoon. But anyways, they had a secret spot and boogie boarders weren't allowed. Sam had to learn how to surf and he started longboarding and he crushed it. You're getting after it. All right, let's get after it. Life's great, the beach is great, sun's
Fuck
great.
Trump. Don't forget to vote.
What? right, gang, we just wrapped up surfing. Now we're gonna go check out the Pismo boardwalk. It should be pretty epic. You think?
Yeah.
None of this was here last year.
What do you mean none of it?
None of this, the pier.
Then yes, it was.
No, just kidding. But these Airstreams weren't here last year. That's pretty weird. Looks like they're gonna sell alcohol. That would be nice if they served alcohol in these, out of these things. What a great idea at Pismo.
Oh, I see what you mean, because they've got the things. The sign, okay.
All right, so they've totally revamped the Pismo area. This is neat. And they made a new way to get down to the beach, and we're about to try it out right now. And this is so exciting. Even for adults. Which one do you want to go down?
I don't know.
Why aren't these ones? Hey, oh, this is just a GoPro. Go for it. Should we go?
Do you want to go together?
Yeah. Come on down. Ready?
Yeah.
Woo! Yeah. Are you sure,
It's
bud?
not made for adult people. Oh my god.
We're in a little hot.
Maybe children know when to stop. Look at this kid. Yeah, these people.
Oh, that's awesome.
These kids like stand up at the end.
We don't.
We just crashed and burned.
That's pretty cool. Dang, this is I've never seen this before. It's pretty cool. A little kickstand right there.
Alright.
Alright, I'll see you later. Alright, I'm gonna have to stop into Pomo to get some petrol.
Oh, okay.
I'll see you when we get home.
Yeah.
Okay. Great surfing.
Yep.
All right. Bye. I'm gonna start waving like this now.
So.
Bye.